The most anticipated dashcam of the year, the U1000 4K dashcam is the new flagship dashcam from Thinkware. The U1000 front camera operates at 4K ultra high definition at 30 frames per second, and is also capable of 2K quad high definition at 60 frames per second. The rear facing camera records in 2K QHD, which gives you footage that is 2 times more crisp than other rear dash cams on the market. Complement all of that with a 150-degree wide angle view, you will without a doubt capture much more than most of the models on the market. Another highlight of the U1000 is the Energy Saving 2.0, which extends the dashcam's parking surveillance ability for a much longer period of time. The U1000 is Thinkware Cloud ready. In addition to the standard cloud features, you also get new features such as remote live view streaming in driving mode, and parking incident notifications and video clip upload in parking mode. The U1000 comes with an optional radar sensor that you can attach to the main body. By adding the radar sensor, parking mode can be extended even further while capturing pre-event footage. The U1000 is designed to capture all your adventures ahead in 4K beauty and to offer you advanced parking mode features for your complete peace of mind. As always, thank you for watching and making Blackbox My Car the #1 dashcam retailer across North America. If you have any questions you would like to see answered in a video, please do contact us at info@blackboxmycar.com. Everything mentioned in this video can be found in the description below.